What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. And guys, it's a very important video for OnePlus users if you have already upgraded your device to OxygenOS 16. If you guys remember in past, OnePlus did introduce this anti-rollback thing in their newer updates, and due to which many OnePlus smartphones got bricked while downgrading the devices. We also tried downgrading our OnePlus 13s in the past. For that we also made a video, but if you guys haven't watched the video, I'll put up the link in the description below. And while performing the downgrading process, our OnePlus 13s died. And to recover that device, we had to replace the motherboard itself because there are no possibilities to recover the device. So that's the reason we are coming up with this video in which I'll show you guys which all devices can't be downgraded from your current version. And the process is very simple to find out. If your device is not included in the video, you guys can easily find it out with just few steps. All the download links of required files can be found on the drawinwin.com, and I'll put up the link also in the description below. But before moving ahead, if you guys find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So basically you'll be requiring three files. One is the firmware for your particular device. So here you can see I have downloaded all the current and the latest firmwares of my devices which I have. And you can easily download that firmware using the OxygenOS Updater application. You just have to open OxygenOS Updater application. After that you just tap on settings icon. Under update method select stable full, and if you scroll down select advanced mode. Once you have done that, just go back and download the file. After that copy that file on your PC. I have renamed the files over here, but the name will be different. So for example, let's start with OnePlus 11, which recently got the July update. So here I have the OnePlus 11 file. So main file is here. Okay, I have deleted that file. You just have to download the file and it will be a zip file. Right click and extract the file. For example, I have extracted Node 6. Inside that you will find these many files. Like the payload.bin is the main file which we require. After that, you need to download the fastboot enhance tool. As I told you guys, links will be given in the description below. Now what you have to do, so for example, we'll start with the OnePlus 11. So here I have my OnePlus 11 extracted file. I'll open up fastboot enhance tool. I'll tap on payload dumper and tapping on browse. From here you need to select payload.bin file. Tap on open and now tap on partition. And guys, one by one I'll show you guys all the devices on which you cannot downgrade and on which device you can downgrade, that also I'll let you know. So make sure to watch the full video. So here you need to type x and select the file xbl_config. Just select this file, select allow incremental, tap on extract image. Now it will ask you where to place that particular file. So you need to make sure that file goes inside the ARB scan folder. So okay, I forgot to mention this. ARB scan is also required to download. You can just download the file from the description below. It will be a zip file. Right click and extract, and inside this you'll have only these three files. So whichever file we are extracting, for example, this one is the file xbl_config. You need to place that file in the ARB scan folder itself. So I'll select this folder, tap on OK. The file will appear here. There you can see. So this is the file of OnePlus 11. Now what you have to do, type cmd here, hit enter, and now give a command ARB scan and drag and drop this file. Hit enter. So here you can see ARB index says 0. That means you can downgrade your device to the older version. See, if in future we have the ARB index.1 over here, then you need to have a downgrade package which has ARB index as 1. So anytime you guys can check that in the downgrade package also, because you cannot go lower than the number. For example, if ARB index is 1, you cannot flash a file with ARB index 0. So keep this thing in mind before downgrading your device. But with current situation, if I have to say anything, if your ARB index is 0, you can use the downgrade package available on OnePlus website. So OnePlus 11 users, you guys can easily downgrade your device to the older version. Now let's move on to the other device, which is OnePlus 12. So I'll delete this config file first. Now again I'll open up the fastboot enhance tool, and from here payload dumper. Now let me select firmware file of my OnePlus 12. So here I have the OnePlus 12 latest build guys, which is based on 16.1, and the version mentioned is 16.0.9, which comes with July update. So I'll select OnePlus 12. I'll select the file. Now I'll again search XLB, allow incremental, extract, desktop, ARB scan. So I'll open up ARB scan over here. You can see we don't have any file. I'll place it here, and now we have the file here. Now giving command which is cmd ARB scan, drag and drop the file, hit enter, and here you can see ARB index is 1. So OnePlus 12 users, do not downgrade your device using the downgrade files present online. Until OnePlus provides newer downgrade zip files, do not downgrade your device. So OnePlus 12 users, remember this, do not downgrade your device from the July build to the lower build. Now similar way, let me show you guys about the OnePlus 13. So I'll remove this file, add a new file which is OnePlus 13, select the same file, extract file, location. So this is of OnePlus 13. Now let's check whether whether we can downgrade a device which is OnePlus 13 to the lower build or not. And guys, it's not only about downgrading your device, avoid flashing custom ROM also. So I'll write ARB scan again, drag and drop the file, hit enter. So OnePlus 13 users also do not downgrade your device because ARB index is 1 over here. So OnePlus 12, OnePlus 13. Now let's check OnePlus 13s. So I'll select the file of OnePlus 13s, payload bin, xbl config, extract. So here we have the file of OnePlus 13s. If you guys remember, a device was OnePlus 13s which got motherboard replaced while trying to downgrade. So let's see whether this build has any issues or not. So yes guys, even OnePlus 13s can't be downgraded. Now let's move on to the other device. I'll avoid this process so that the video doesn't become lengthy. So OnePlus 15, I'm facing an issue. I'm not sure why I'm not able to get the ARB index count over here. So that's the reason I'll ignore OnePlus 15. And even you guys do not try downgrading your OnePlus 15. If I get any solution about this, I'll keep you guys updated. So we'll ignore OnePlus 15. Let's go with OnePlus 15R. So here we have got the xbl_config file. I'll hit enter. So with this latest build, OnePlus 15R can be downgraded. You can see I have the file of 16.0.9 July update and ARB index says 0. So if you want to downgrade your device, you can do that. Now let me also show you guys the last device, which is OnePlus Nord 6. Guys, I don't have all the devices, so this method you can use to check your device whether downgrade is possible or not. If I had all the devices, I would have shown you guys every device in this video. So this is OnePlus Nord 6, which is still running, I think, on June update. Yes, 16.0.5 June update. So let's see whether we can downgrade the OnePlus Nord 6 or not. So OnePlus Nord 6 can be downgraded. So currently OnePlus 12, OnePlus 13 and OnePlus 13s can't be downgraded. OnePlus 15, I'm not sure about it, but avoid downgrading until I confirm you guys. I'll pin it in the comment section if I find any solution. So guys, this way you can check your device ARB index and see whether you can downgrade your device or flash custom ROMs. Until you see ARB index as 0, do not downgrade your device because that will completely screw your device, and the only option left after that is replacing the motherboard, which happened with us while downgrading our OnePlus 13s. And meanwhile, if you guys have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.